Welcome to Schoolx. We are Pakistan's leading online learning platform that provides classes for all educational boards online. The classes are delivered live and completely online 4 days a week, so students can interact with teachers. If a student misses any class or wants to revise any concepts, the lecture recordings are available 24/7 on the platform alongside the lecture revision notes, which are there as well. The students get a chance to practice over 10,000 MCQs free of cost on the platform, and there is also a feature of timed exams where we actually simulate a live exam online so that students can assess where they stand before actually going forward with an actual exam. We operate on a subscription-based model where, on the free package, the student gets access to certain features and can upgrade to unlock more features on the platform.